Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg salad. First, you'll need to boil your eggs to perfection, ensuring a creamy texture. Next, we'll gather a few simple ingredients to create that classic savory flavor. Then, we'll gently combine everything, being careful not to overmix. Finally, chilling the salad allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making every bite a delight. To begin, place your eggs in a single layer within a pot. Cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Let the eggs stand in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Once your eggs are perfectly cooled, peel and chop them into small, uniform pieces. In a bowl, combine the chopped eggs with your favorite mayonnaise, a touch of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. For an extra layer of texture and freshness, consider adding some finely diced celery or fresh chives. Stir everything gently until it's just combined. Before serving, give your egg salad a taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. Then, cover the bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully develop and meld together. Serve your delightful egg salad on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even in fresh lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.